Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read from the title, today's video is going to be on how to make your very own tissue box holder. Now this DIY is super easy and fun to make, and I will be showing you guys step by step on how I make this. To make this DIY, basically you're going to need is of course cardboard. Now I'm going to be using a tissue box as a reference to make this DIY project. And once I've got the right dimension of the sides of the box, basically I'm just going to be cutting out the longer length of the tissue box. Once I've made the sides, the next step is of course to make the top part of the tissue box. And I'm just going to be aligning the cardboard just to make sure that I have the right length of the top part of the tissue box holder. So I'm just aligning that, and I'm just going to be cutting out the excessive cardboard that I do not need. I basically have this sample kept for just to reference it, just to make sure that I have the right dimensions. I'm just going to be taking out the plastic that's attached with the box itself. So I'm just going to be taking that out. Basically just align the top part of the tissue box with the cardboard just to make sure that I have it aligned properly. I just want to make sure that the hole is not too big, so that is the reason why I am making sure that I get the right dimension. And now I'm just going to be tracing that out. Once I've traced out the circle, the next step is of course to cut it up. So I'm just gonna be cutting it up, and once that has been cutted, this is how it looks like. It's not the best, but don't worry guys, that's gonna be all covered up. And I'm gonna be using hot glue to build the pieces up. Now you guys can see that all the puzzle pieces are coming together. The dimensions actually worked out pretty good. Now this is how it looks like, you guys. Once all the pieces are put together, the next step is of course to test it out and see if it actually fits. And you guys, it fits. Now the next step is of course to add the fur. Now I'm just going to be using the hot glue to stick the fur onto the cardboard. Now I'm going to be covering up the entire tissue box holder with some white fur. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. Once the sides have been covered up, the next step is of course to do the top. and this is how it looks like, you guys. Now if you want, you could add some jewels on it, and I honestly ended up deciding that I wanted to add some jewels on it, so I just did. I ended up adding some jewels on the tissue box holder, and this is how it looks like, you guys. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys next time. And just wanted to let you know, guys, that we've just hit 100 subscribers. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to this channel. And let's keep growing, you guys. And thank you again, once again, for your support. And love you guys. And also stay tuned. There is better content coming up very soon. And I will be posting my next video in a couple days. So do stay tuned. And take care. Stay safe.